All right, good job, good job. So I'm gonna read this again.
Post it?
No, I didn't post it. I had to start it over because it stopped. So I'm gonna read this again. Listen as I read, and then we're going to circle all of the important information. Okay? Selena is preparing cookies for a party. Part A. So this is yes, part A. So it's two parts to this word problem. Selena uses 18 eggs to make cookies. Yep. So circle that because that's what.
18.
Yep, and that's what? That's important. That's important information. So she uses 18 eggs to make cookies. Good job. You need to circle that one as well. She uses 6 eggs for each pan of cookies. Is that important?
No, it's not.
If she uses 18 eggs to make cookies and she uses 6 eggs for each pan of cookies?
Oh, I know this.
Huh?
18 divided by 3 equals 6.
No, you skipped this part. This is a 2-step. This isn't 1 step. This is 2 steps. So it gets harder and harder, okay? So Selena is preparing cookies for a party. Selena uses 18 eggs to make cookies. She uses 6 eggs for each pan of cookies. Let's look at our wall. So our wall says if we have the word each, what are we going to do?
Divide.
We're going to divide. Good job. So we're going to divide what?
18 divided by 3 is 6.
Nope. We haven't gotten to that
3
part yet.
equals 6.
Nope, we haven't. It is, but we haven't gotten to that part yet. Where we use that 3. So 18 divided by 6 is
3.
good job. Write that down. You used the wrong. Yep. Good job. Good job. You were on a roll today, and then make. Good job. And that should be
3.
yes. All right, now we get to the second part of this problem. Listen closely. Each pan holds 3 muffins. So each pan holds how many muffins? Each pan holds how many muffins?
3.
3 muffins. Write an equation. So this is where we're going to write this equation. Write an equation using X to represent the total number of cookies Selena makes. So what would you write?
X. Where X marks the spot.
What?
On a treasure map.
No, we're not on a treasure map. All right, so let's read it again. I need for you. I'll get it.
Well,
As soon as we're finished, I'll get it, okay?
you're
Let's put this over here.
I'm taking that one.
You can, okay? So I need for you to read this again.
And football.
Okay, read this.
Football.
Focus, focus. All right, read for me.
She uses 6 eggs for
Mm-hmm.
each.
Selena uses 18 eggs to make cookies, right? Read this
Each
part.
pan of cookies.
Uh-huh.
She uses 6 eggs for each pan of cookies. Each pan holds 3 muffins.
Mm-hmm.
Write an equation using X to represent the total number of cookies Selena makes.
All right, so you circled this 3, but this 3 has nothing to do with the equation. It has nothing to do with it,
X marks
right?
spot.
This says what? What's that word? That word right here.
Muffins.
Muffins. Were we talking about muffins?
No.
No, we were talking about what?
I don't know.
What were we talking? Read it again. Selena is what?
Preparing cookies for
We're-
a party.
We're preparing what? Don't swing that. Don't swing.
Cookies. for
We're
a
preparing
party.
cookies. Why are we talking about muffins?
Because that has nothing to do with food.
Right, it has nothing to do with it. So we don't use this information, okay? We cross this out. This is, yes, cross it out. This is irrelevant information. We don't need it. We don't need it, right?
Relevant info,
Yeah.
which is like short for information.
Mm-hmm. So we don't need it, right? So we take out 3 because 18 divided by 6 is what?
3.
3, and we do what with it? We
Multiply it.
I gave that one to you. Yes, we multiply it by what?
Sweet Jesus.
What do we do?
What?
What do we do?
Multiply them.
Yep. So we have to write an equation, okay? So write an equation using x to represent the total number of cookies Selena makes. So that is correct. So we did 18 divided by 6 equals x, right?
Which is actually 3.
Which is 3. Good job. So if we multiply 3 by 6, it would give us the 18 eighths. And that's how you, what? Check your
answer.
Check.
Work.
Yes, check your answer or your work. All right, we're going to do one more.
Jesus.
We're going to do one more, okay? And then we're going to go to lunch. Let's see, where's a good
I'm
one?
bringing my football with me.
That's fine, that's good. We're going to select a good one. One that you struggle with.
Heck no.
All right, let's do this one. This one is similar to the one that we just did. All right, calm down. Last one, okay? Last one, and I think I have a cookie for you. You remember those cookies? Did you like those? Yes? All right, last one. Let's see if you can get this one right.
Is it a chocolate chip one with like chocolate syrup all over?
No, you remember the little red one, the one in the pack that I gave you? That one, okay? So let's do this, and then you can have that cookie. It's all yours. Read that question for me.
Like I just won the lottery.
You did just win the lottery. All right, number 3.
I'm not old enough for the lottery.
This is the kids' lottery.
Sweet Jesus.
This is the kids' lottery. So, 3. Read it.
I'm red.
Focus. Come on.
Chain.
Focus.
Chain.
A
group of 54 third grade students will attend a field trip. An equal number of students will ride in 6 different vans.
What operation are you gonna do?
Divide.
Divide. Yep. So we're gonna divide what by what?
54 third grade students
By
6
different.
vans.
Good. So write that down.
I could just draw 54 and then vans.
No, that's too much. We're not gonna do that.
Oh, brother.
It's okay. All right, so in order to get this answer, we're going to add to this
48.
chart, okay?
48.
Nope, we're going to add to this chart, okay? Remember this chart that you just made?
Yeah.
So we're going to start with that. What is that, 40?
It's Katy Perry's name.
We're going to start with 40. Focus, 45. So what, 45 where? And 9 on the fingers. Now let's count. 45.
50.
Nope. 45. Count and touch. 45. 40.
47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54.
All right, write that down. Right here.
How?
Focus.
I'm wearing a football curl to watch.
All right, so we know that 54 divided by 6 is what?
9.
Yes. So which answer would you select? A, 7, B, 9, C, 48, or D, 60? All right, high five. You did great. It is time for lunch.
I won the lottery, damn it.
You won the lottery. But before
Can I
we
post
no, come here. Before we go, come on.
I can see you in the camera.
You can see me.
I see you in the
All
camera.
right, before we go, we're gonna do one more thing, okay? Before we go, we're gonna do one more thing. Let's go and look at our chart. So, if it says both, we're going to do what?
Add.
If it says plus, we're gonna
Add.
If it says all together, we're gonna
Add.
If it says more, we're gonna
Add.
If it says combine, we're gonna.
Ah.
If it says increase, we're gonna. Good job. Let's move on to the next one. If it says decrease, we're gonna
Subtract.
subtract. If it says less than,
Subtract.
all right. What if it says each?
What?
Each.
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 Each. You're looking. You're supposed to know this by heart.
Jesus.
You're supposed to know this by heart. What if it said each?
Divide.
Divide. Good job. Good job. I knew you knew it. What if it said times? We're gonna do what?
Multiply.
What if it said twice?
Multiply.
What if it said 2 by 2?
Multiply.
What if it says fewer? Fewer. Joseph had. Good job. What if it said what remains? If we had 5 and we took away 4, what remains? What operation are we gonna do? Subtract. Good job. High five. We can go to lunch.
I got that golden chain.
You got the golden chain.